So we are going to continue to do our part 2 Tic Tac Toe game right now. Okay. So at our part 2 Tic Tac Toe game, first of all, we have to fix a little bit thing right here. Fix a little bit thing right here. Our class here, we have to do right here. We have to say this. We have char, and we're going to call current player mark. Okay, we're going to have that right now, and we're going to first we have that current player mark. Okay, so we need to have the current player mark right there. Then we are going to do one by one. Okay, once we have the current mark right here, then we do one by one. Then first let's do this. Okay, so we are going to first is started to right here. So we already put in the board this and that. So I am going to write the first thing. Is the board full? Is okay? So that's right here. All right. So is the board full? Is a boolean? So you say let me see. Is the board full? Is uppercase, lowercase? Full is the board. All right, full. It's okay. All right. So I check is my board full. Okay, create it. All right. So let me temporarily get rid of my D thing here right now. So it's okay. So I come here to write my is board full right now. So gentlemen and ladies. Okay. So before that I have to say this. I have to put a variable say is full. Let me set that to true. It's okay. So there's a boolean variable is full. Let me say is true right now. Okay. So again, I need to use my two-dimensional array here. So I'm going to borrow this one here. I'm going to borrow. Okay. We use nested loop a lot, so I'm just borrow. Okay. So right here, and I am going to say for I equals 0, that's in each row, and this. Okay, so I'm going to say this. If, okay, if my board right now inside that, okay, if that, okay. So now, so because once you put something, if you put X, S is going to replace dash. If you put O, O is going to replace dash. So as long as you still see a dash, it's not full yet. So it's full. So it's full. Of course, equal false. So once you see, as long as you see a dash, it's not full. Otherwise, return is full. So that's true right now. All right. So far okay. So we're going to check this right now. So at this moment, we're going to check is the board full or not. So that's very easy. The board full or not, we just going to check. We just check whether there's still a dash. As long as there's a dash, it's not full. Once it's full, we say full. Full is true. All right. So now at this moment right now, and I am going to do this right now. Okay, I am going to do here, and I'm going to do get current player mark right now. Okay, so I'm going to get current mark right here. So I come right here, and it's going to return a char because current mark is X or O. Either X or O is a character. So char, okay, and you say get current player mark. It's okay. I'm going to do like that. It's okay, everybody. So then let's let it run, write it for you. Okay, so let's write it right now. Okay. All right, so gentlemen and ladies. All right, so you want to get current mark? That's easy. Let's return your current player mark. That's it. Okay, that's it. That's it. You want to get it, I return to you. Everything is logic. Nothing is hard for you. All right. So now we already can know who's the current player. We already checked my board is full right now. I'm going to place a mark right now. Okay, so we're going to place a mark here, and when we place a mark, we want to say, did you place a mark here or no? Okay, so I am going to do this. I'm going to say bool. Okay, then place a mark. Okay, so once you place mark, where you're going to place it? In one of the cell. So row and column. In one of the cell, you are going to place your either X or O. It's okay. So you place a mark in one of the cell. The index is I or J. Okay, so you are going to place a mark right here, right now. All right. So gentlemen, we're going to place our mark right now. Okay. So we place our mark right here. Here we are going to use our two-dimensional array again. Okay. Copy, paste, and return here. Temporary. Control C. Right here. Okay. Okay. So I have to do this right now. Okay. So I is become row right now. Okay. I is become row. Okay, I is row right now. So integer, sorry, I made a mistake right here. So I want to fix this. Okay, so as long as my row is between my range, as long as my row is 0, 1, or 2, all right. So you don't give me row 5. There's no row 5. There's row -1. So in the right range, you say my row is greater than equal 0 and my row is less than 3. That's my right range. Okay, and same thing here, you want to say this right here. Okay, you want to say the same thing here. Then you want to say in my column is greater than 0 and also my column is less than 3. So when you are this right now, okay, when you are this right now, then I am going to do this. All right, so right here, this is if my row greater than 3 and if my column is okay. So if they are in the right range right now. So let me get rid of this inside here. Let me double check here, right here first. Okay, so gentlemen, let's see right here. Okay, so I'm checking this right now. So I'm checking my row. Checking my row is my row in the right range, and I'm going also checking my column is the right range. Okay, I'm going checking this. All right, so now so if this in the right range, if this is in the right range, and I'm going to put number right there. Otherwise, I'm going to say, all right. So now they are right range. I can say this. Okay, inside this. Then if my board I and J, all right. So if my board I and J, they are equal dash. So that's blank right now. So if those are is a dash, so I can put a mark, right? So my board row, don't know IJ, okay, done. Row and colon call, all right. So then my call right here, then that will be equal my current player mark. Okay, then I return true. So gentlemen and ladies, right here, uh, I place a board right now. I put this right now. I put X or Y, or I place a mark right now. So I place a mark into here. Then I need to be able to change player. So after my X to play, I need to be able to make Y to play it too. It's okay. So I wanted to do here is void and change player. Okay. So when I change player, that's very easy. One I only want to say is my current player mark. If that's equal X, all right, then my current player mark now is assigned to O right now. Okay. Else my current player mark and equal X. All right. So far okay. Now I'm ready to play the game right now. Okay. So I have this done. Right now I need to go to my while loop. So I'm coming back right here. Where's my play game? Okay. So ready? So I want to play my game right now. Okay. So before I play my game, I right here. So I got here right now. I want to play my game. So I need to have my integer row and colon. Okay, I need to have that. Then right here, I'm going to do and tab over. All right. So I'm going to play this game again and again until my TTT that is board is not full. Okay. So line number 10 to 13, just say I'm going to play this again and again. Okay, until my board is full. As long as it's not full, I'm going to play this again and again. All right. So what are you going to play? again, it's a loop. What is a loop? It's continue place a mark. I put the X, you put the O, you put the O, I put the X, you put the O, R, whatever. Okay, we continue put it until we don't have any place to put it. Alright, so another one is do while. Okay, alright, so while what? While, remember, you continue place a mark until you cannot place a mark anymore. So my TTT the place mark and row and column until you cannot place a mark anymore. Then you stop. Okay, once you continue, you check it, and then right here, okay, do while I need actual here. Okay, now so once you once you get somebody, place a mark and you change your player, so you say my TTT change player. So that's all you need to do. That's coming right here right now inside my loop right here. So CL. All right, so then I'm going to say this. Okay, player, sorry, that's a quotation, player. Okay, then I'm going to say this is my TTT. Okay, I'm going to get my current mark. Okay, whoever right here, the current mark, I'm going to ask them to select and row. Okay, so then select a row, a row. All right. All right, so they will give me a row number, right? So I'll give me a row number. All right, then I'll do the same thing for here right now, and but I want to do a column. All right, and you give me a column. Once you give me a column right here, I am going to row -1 and column minus equal 1. All right, because I have to put inside this. Okay, you remember your two row is different from my thing is right here. All right, so at this moment we are able to play the game right now, but I have to say this. Okay, hold on. Right here, let me go to my first go to my TTT here. All right, so my current board right here, I have to set it to X first. Okay, so otherwise I cannot play the game. All right, so now it's X. Then right now you can play the game. You can play the game again and again, but until your board is full. Let's play a game right now. So build it. And start without debugging. All right. So let's put row number 1 and 2. All right. So player. Oh, hold on. Select a row and column. Okay. Just a minute. Let me see who answered a question from who. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we need to right now we need to print the board. That's right. Okay, so at this moment you can play the game. At this moment you can play the game. All right, so